the blood flow to the area. So it kind of warms it up after a few minutes, and it gives you a nice sensation where it just relaxes the muscles and everything.
Oh.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I also find it's more comfortable for the patient. And that also allows me to just get in there and get things moving. Go ahead, back as well as your legs. Give you some more flexibility, range of motion. There we go. Now feel free to come on. What you do is just relax his left shoulder. And then I'm going to go ahead and adjust. What I
My turn. Oh my gosh. So I either just like go like that or I pull my hair, but I'm gonna do it because it has to crack. I've been waiting a while to do that.
Relax his right side. Perfect. How's that feel? Inflammation to increase. Just relax that left shoulder. There you go. So that was shoulder. Drop this right side. So relax this right shoulder for me. There you go. So simple as that. Sometimes it's just getting. So take a deep, deep breath in and breathe all the way out. So great.
We'll see what happens. Breathe in, breathe out. One side, the other side, both or neither. Oh yeah. Breathe out, hold on. Oh yeah. Big time. Bend your knee. Out like a flamingo. Up here. Continue to hold on. Breathe in and breathe out, Kevin. Here we go. And back again. Foot. And across your forefoot. I'm gonna have it. Swing with me. Hold on. Nice. Bend your knee. Good. Out like a flamingo. Good. Up here we go. Hold on. Both knees up, please. It's already done. There's some more though. We wouldn't want to miss a single one. Out. Here we go. With adjustment. Done. And rest. Big twist. Oh, it went.
That was good.
That's what it's supposed to do. Hen. Here we go. Ho. Good. Good. One more time. Breathe in and out. 10 for 10. Very good. Here we go. This way. You're going to shoulder the pelvis. Oh, it moved. Oh, you know it. Right here. Right at the level of the 12th.
Rocking is my first name. Conceited